Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will review the 5 best sight pusher tool. Our experts provide honest and unbiased reviews of products to give you the most accurate information about your product. Check the links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Real Avid Armours Handgun Sight Pusher Sight Tool for Gunsmithing, Gray/Red. The Master Sight Pusher is an advanced, professional tool for changing, moving, installing, or adjusting press-fit sights. This heavy-duty pistol sight tool helps protect your slide and minimize risk of marring, damage, or deformation. The oversized, overmolded, ergonomic Easy Torque handle partners with extra-fine drive threads to provide maximum torque with minimal effort when removing or installing sights. The metal press block features multiple contact surfaces for most common sizes and styles of press-fit dovetail slots and sight profiles. Adjustable clamps with protective options for contact surfaces securely hold both 1911 and striker-fired, flat-bottom pistol slide styles. Note, depending on handgun model, changing sights might be more complex tasks that require skill, precision, and patience. While many sights can be changed by DIY enthusiasts and hobbyists, some cases might require professional gunsmith or armorer. Real Avid Master Sight Pusher is intended to use for slides, press-fit, dovetail-style sights only. Not intended for use with red dots or rifle barrels. Does not fit rear sights on hammer-fired handguns with thumb safety. Not intended for sights secured with screws, thread locker, or factory-installed with hydraulic presses. Contact your firearm manufacturer before proceeding with sight customization or adjustment. Real Avid Master Sight Pusher sight adjustment tool safely adjusts, installs, and removes a variety of front and rear dovetail sights. It works with most modern striker-fired handguns and 1911 style pistol sights and slide profiles. This advanced, professional tool has been designed for qualified pros and also allows skilled DIY hobbyists, enthusiasts, and owners to adjust or customize sights. Number 2. ATG Heavy Duty Universal Pistol Dovetailed Rear Sight Pusher Tool. I have been a handgun shooter for many years and I collect handguns. That said, I usually upgrade my sights. Prior to this tool, I took my guns to a gunsmith and paid them $40 to remove and install the new sights. 2 sight upgrades and this press pays for itself. The good works great for removing and installing dovetail rear sights. Easy to figure out, easy to use, and easy to adjust sights. Small enough to take with you to the firing range and adjust your sights. Very satisfied. The bad? No instructions come with the press. Also, the slide locking clamps do not have markings, so you can center your slide. There are some markings for the sight press itself, but they are nearly impossible to see. These marks would assume you have your slide centered and are not particularly useful. The pusher worked good for the Glock 19. It seems to be strong enough to push the sight on the 19. Not sure about any others though. So here's my finding. Whether you're pushing out or in, please notice the canting of the pusher block. This actually will bring either side of the pusher's edge closer to the slide due to the canting. Number 3. WIREGEAR Sight Pusher Tool with Heavy-Duty Construction and Rotatable Sight Prong. Sight Adjustment Tool Sight Removal Tool for Handguns. These types include an additional sight prong, which is rotated completely to allow the sight to be adjusted. Making adjustments more accurately is made easier by using reference marks. It can be moved horizontally to ensure accuracy even after a long period of use. Tools and accessories can be securely secured with 4 horizontal clamps and 1 on the top of the box, so I have limited experience. However, consensus on the interwebs is that M&P sights are notoriously difficult to remove and replace. I wanted to put night sights on a couple M&P pistols, 9L 2.0 and Shield Plus, and to be able to refine their alignment if needed. Bottom line, this tool worked and did not damage either the new sights or the old ones, which were removed. Rear sight took an uncomfortable amount of force to turn the wheel and resulted in a slightly tender thumb. However, for the price, versatility, and result, I would not hesitate to buy again. Seems sturdy based on heft, but I have not and will not Use this extensively. MP 2.09L. At first, I borrowed a friend's tool, not this tool. It worked for the rear side, but would not work on the front side of my MP9L 2.0 5-barrel because of the geometry of the slide and lack of a notch below the pushing block. Next, I used a brass punch and hammer to get the front side out and the new sight roughly in place. Number 4. Modifier Universal Handgun Sight Pusher Tool for 1911 Glock, Shield, SIG and others. A bead disassembly tool with optional tapered /square slider for Glock 1943 SIG P365. An aluminum frame and steel components are used. Unlike other products whose joints are easy to break, the material of our pistol sight tool has been strengthened. The sight pusher tool has a vertical adjustment function and a solid jaw with a ridge to support, and it is not allowed to move easily in the vertical or horizontal direction when in use. This universal sighting tool is equipped with a hexagonal wrench to help you finely adjust the exact position of the gun's front sight for installation and removal. The adjustment screw is engraved, which can increase the friction of rotation even when the hand is sweating, and accurately adjust to the proper position of the handgun sight. The screw of the tool is made of electroplated iron, which improves the strength and prolongs the service life. We listened to customer feedback, worried about being scratched, and made improvements to the product. Our product has increased the area of the push block. The push block changed from a shark to a cube. Number 5. Wheeler Engineering Armours Handgun Sight Tool with heavy-duty construction and reversible assembly for handguns, gunsmithing, and maintenance. The Wheeler Armours Handgun Sight Tool is a precision machined handgun sight tool. It is designed to install, uninstall, or adjust front and rear dovetail sights. The Wheeler Handgun Sight Tool fully captures and supports slides, though it won't deform them. The sight tool works on all semi-automatic pistols. It features a large 4-post drive knob to easily push the sight and has reference marks for precise adjustments. The Wheeler Engineering Handgun Sight Tool makes installing front and rear pistol sights a breeze. Top clamps add more security to slide positioning, while 4 independent horizontal positioning clamps hold the slide secure. The sight prong assembly is reversible to accommodate Glock slides, and the large sight adjustment wheel allows the user to easily make micro sight adjust. If you are looking to upgrade the sights on your handgun, the Wheeler Engineering Sight Tool is a must-have. A nice tool to have around for changing sights. I've used it on M&P, Glock, SIG, and Springfield many times. The downside is the tolerance on the sight block and frame lets it move unevenly when it makes contact with the sight and cause damage to the slide coating when I first used it. All the products we mentioned are available in the present market. To get the link, check the descriptions below. If you find it useful to simplify your decisions, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of our next video. Thanks for watching.